In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a Shopify theme. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a theme file you already have and add it to your store so it's ready to preview and use. Before we start, make sure you have your theme saved as a single zip file on your computer. Shopify only accepts zip uploads for themes, and the maximum file size is 50 megabytes, so keep that in mind. First, open your browser and go to shopify.com. On the homepage, click Login. Sign in using your email and password, or choose one of the other available sign-in options you prefer. If you manage more than one store, you may be prompted to pick the correct store after logging in. Once you're in the Shopify admin, look over to the left-hand sidebar. From the sidebar, click Online Store. This opens the Themes area where you can see your current live theme at the top and your theme library below. The theme library is where you import and store themes that aren't live yet. This is where we'll upload your file. Look for the option to import a theme. Depending on your admin layout, this may appear as import theme or as an add theme button that leads to an upload option. Click that, then choose upload zip file. This opens your computer's file picker. A quick reminder here, the zip file must be under 50 megabytes. If your file is larger, consider removing extra demo media from the zip or compressing oversized images before returning to this step. Also, make sure you're selecting the zip itself and not an unzipped folder. Shopify needs the compressed file to recognize the theme structure correctly. Now add your theme file by selecting it from your computer. You can usually give it a clear name so it's easy to identify in your library, especially if you plan to upload multiple versions. Click Upload to start the import. You'll see a progress indicator while Shopify processes the file. Don't close your browser during this step. A stable connection helps prevent errors. When the upload completes, your theme appears in the theme library list. If you see an error, double check that the file is a valid zip and that it doesn't exceed the size limit. You can also verify that the theme's internal folders are intact, as a missing or rearranged structure can cause an import to fail. That's it, you've successfully uploaded your Shopify theme. From here, you can preview it in the library to make sure everything looks right before making any changes or moving forward.